halos parehong law bender, alang-alang sa world peace. Yan ang pabirong girit ni Malaysian Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim habang ikinukumpara ang governance style nila ni US President Donald Trump. Sa sideline ng dinaluhan nilang ASEAN Summit, kinilala ni Anwar ang effort ni Trump admin sa pagsusulong ng kapayapaan sa rehiyon. Anya, halos magkatulad daw sila ng paminsan-minsang lumilihis ng ilang batas. Kaya pareho rin daw silang naharap sa kontrobersiya at criminal case ng dahil sa politika.
And we share a lot of things in common. I was in prison, but he almost got there. The world needs leaders who promote peace strongly, and to achieve that, you have to break some rules, as you did today. When President arrived, he asked me to join him in the car. I said that's against the security and protocol rules, and he was delighted to break the rules, and I. It was a nice ride.
Kasabay ng pagdalo ni Trump sa ASEAN Summit, panibagong peace deal ang naikasa sa pagitan naman ngayon ng Thailand at Cambodia. Bukod dito, kinaaaliwan naman ng netizen ang proactive reaction ni President Trump na nakisayaw sa Malaysian performer na sumalubong at nag-welcome sa kanya sa Kuala Lumpur Airport. Bagay na naging consistent hanggang sa departure ceremony niya, kung saan ilang minuto rin niyang pinanood ang mga performance ng mga dancers.